Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is a green candle forming doji candle and approaching resistance area. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin, nagkaroon tayo ng inverted pin bar dito. Sumusubok magbasag si BTC yesterday. But what happened is meron tayong rejection dahil nag-close lang yung candle below resistance area and then bumagsak. But the good news is meron na tayong first sign ng higher low. Tingnan natin sa lower time frame para mas malinaw yung chart. So kung makikita natin after creating multiple higher lows, nagkaroon ng rejection. Currently, nagkakaroon tayo ng pullback dahil forming falling wedge to. So nag-drawing na tayo ng first low, higher low. So the moment na i-respect ni BTC yung trendline support natin, we are on a